हेलो। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस का एडिटोरियल। ये एडिटोरियल में आज के बारे में बात है ड्राइंग ए लाइन इन वाटर। इसे लिखे हैं सैयद अकबरुद्दीन ने। तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं। इम्प्लीकेशन ऑफ द ह्यूज रूलिंग ऑन द इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी। दिस रिप्रेजेंट delves into the complexities surrounding the huge ruling on the industry water treaties, examining the significant legal geopolitical challenges that emerge when trust is compromised by acts a tourism impact regional stability and corruption. Geopolitical dynamic of the Indus system. Geopolitically क्या होगा इंडस सिस्टम से? Exploring the intricate relationship between the Indus River systems and geopolitical challenges arising from the Indus Treaty। चलिए आगे के स्लाइड में देखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले इंडस स्टैंड्स ऑन द ट्रिब्यूनल अवार्ड, एनालाइजिंग इंडिया's रिएक्शन टू द ट्रिब्यूनल reaffirmation of justice, tribunal rejection of India's claims, the tribunal dismissed India's suspension of the treaty, call for Pakistan's compliance, Indian demand, पाकिस्तान एंड्स क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म। इंडिया ने डिमांड की थी कि पाकिस्तान ने जो क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म है इसे ना करे। ट्रीटी स्टैंड्स रिमेन्स अनचेंज, इंडियन एसिड द ट्रीटी रिमेन्स ए एवर्जेंस, jurisdictions affirmation despite absence, the tribunal maintained its jurisdiction despite India's participation, India's swift denunciation. India called the tribunal actions illegal and irrelevant. Indus Water Treaty studies and dispute. Negativing sovereign and security issue address the cross water treaty। क्या चीज़ हम लोग देखते हैं? Dispute expand beyond water issue. The conflict reflects deeper issue of sovereign and security for the both nations. Strategies implication for India. The legal aspects of the treaty are intertwined with strategic consideration for India. A resilient treaty challenged by conflict, the Indus Water Treaty has survived for over 6 decades but faces modern threats. Threats from asymmetric warfare. Contemporary asymmetric warfare tactics put pressure on the legislating agreement. The enduring legacy of the Indus Water Treaty. Exploring historical significance water diplomacy between India and Pakistan। 1960, 1947, 1965। Indus Water Treaty blocked by World Bank participation over right river rights. Participation of India led to dispute over water resources in the Indus basins। फर्स्ट हुआ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन इंडिया पाकिस्तान इम्पैक्टिंग ट्रीटी डिग्निटी। मतलब इससे पहले भी जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का युद्ध हुआ था तो उसमें भी इंडस ट्रीटी में काफ़ी सारा प्रभाव पड़ा था। अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लीगल कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ लीगल कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द ट्रिब्यूनल डिसीजन। Proceeding validity of award. The huge tribunal's decision aligned with establishment legal principle of permissions. Pakistan legal agreement. Pakistan emphasizes the necessity of legally addressing interpretation dispute. India's suspension justification. Pakistan claimed that India's suspension of proceeding was unjustified. ओके अभी पाकिस्तान जो है कह रहा है कि इंडिया ने जो इंडस ट्रीटी को मानने से इनकार किया है या थोड़ा सा रोक लगा है इसमें अनजस्टिस है इंटरनेशनल लॉ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन द केस ऑफ हाईलाइट्स इम्पोर्टेंस implication for international legal practice. But the law cannot be blind to context. India not act lightly. It placed the treaty in abeyance after Pakistan-based terrorism killed dozens of Indians. In brazen attack Pahalgam in April 22, when blood stains the snow of the Fir Panjal, the abstractions of international law ring hello. यहाँ क्या कहना चाह रहा है कि जो पहलगाम अटैक हुआ था उसके बाद इंडिया ने इंडस ट्रीटी को मानने से इनकार किया है treaties are built in trust and trust cannot flow when terror does ये काफ़ी सही बात कही है कि अगर ट्रीटी रहना है ट्रीटी रखना है तो टेरर अटैक नहीं करना होगा Water is often called the last soft commodity. An expert emphasizes that it must remain above politics. But Pakistan politicized water by selecting groups that target Indian soldiers and civilians. India's decision to place the treaty in absence is not Virginia's, it is a consequence. तो इसमें क्या है कि जो टेरर अटैक हुआ था इसके बदले में इंडिया ने जो है इंडस ट्रीटी को रोका है Evaluating strategies choice for India's water farming exploring the complication of India's water sharing decision in a changing landscape चलिए यहाँ देख लेते हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये स्टेट्स India's establish framework for water sharing can leverage historical agreements aims evolving political context offers opportunities India can explore new operation models that enhance regional partnerships while addressing emerging challenges weakness dependence on outdated agreement may lead to diplomatic tension and hinder adaptive strategies. Treats potential political backlash from withdraw from treaties could stabilize existing relations and affect diplomatic politics. Geopolitical lessons from global river basins, exploring international disputes and challenges regarding water management policies. Egyptian tensions मतलब वाटर को लेके पानी को लेके इसके अलावा भी आर कहाँ कहाँ पूरी दुनिया में आर कहाँ कहाँ ऐसे ट्रीटी बनी हुई है इसके बारे में इस पेज में हम लोग देखेंगे तो सबसे पहले आता है इजिप्शियन टेंशंस ये काफ़ी पुराना है इजिप्ट हैज़ threatened to use force to respond to Ethiopia's construction of the Grand Resonance Dam, illustrating the severity of geopolitical डिस्प्यूट ओवर वाटर रिसोर्सेस। इजिप्ट इथियोपिया में दबाव डालता है पानी को लेकर। मेकिंग डिस्प्यूट्स, मैकहोंग डिस्प्यूट्स। Thailand and Vietnam are expressing concern regarding China's control over the Mekong River, highlighting regional tension stemming from water management practice. मेकोंग डिस्प्यूट में जो है थाईलैंड और वियतनाम चाइना के ऊपर कहते हैं कि चाइना थोड़ा दादागिरी दिखाता है। जियोपॉलिटिकल फ्लैश पॉइंट, दिस इंटेंस सर्वेस फ्लैश पॉइंट इन इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन वेयर टेंशन ओवर वाटर resources can escalate into border geopolitical conflicts. No winner. The situation underscores that there are no outright winners in the geopolitical of water, as all parties can suffer from prolonged disputes. कोई भी विनर इस तरीके का मतलब डिस्प्यूट के बाद, वाटर डिस्प्यूट के बाद कोई भी विनर नहीं होता है, बट डिस्प्यूट चलते ही जाता है। Regional cooperation. Effective regional cooperation is essential to mitigate conflicts and foster sustainable water management in shared river basins. Sustainable practice. Adopting sustainable water management practice is crucial to prevent conflicts and ensure uh, equitable access to water resources for all stakeholders. Global implication. The implication of these disputes extend beyond borders, influencing global perspectives on water right and resources management. Historical context. Understanding the historical context of this river dispute can provide insight to current geopolitical dynamic and future challenges. Infrastructure expansion, enhancing physical framework for growth. Uh, Firmness in decisions, making resources choice for ensure management. Forest foresight in planning, anticipating future needs in resources. Uh, Stream rivers utilization, maximizing share of river resources, stream and river resources. Western river management, effective, efficient use under existing treaties. Transparency in processing, ensuring clear communication and actions. Speed of execution, implementing strategies swiftly and effectively. Strategizing India's infrastructure and river utilization, balancing firm decision with strategies for foresight in resource management. Conditional justice, diplomacy, and terrorism, linking diplomatic engagement to action terrorism. Re-engage linked to action on terror. India must establish a diplomatic approach contingent on Pakistan tangible measure against terror activities. In thus benefit tied to terrorism, access to the India's water system should be conditional on Pakistan increasing its use of terror as a diplomatic tool. Conditional justice as principle. This approach embodies the concept of conditional justice rather than a simple compromise, reinforcing accountability. Pakistan role in regional stability. Pakistan's commitment to stopping terrorism is vital for fostering long-term peace and stability in the region. Strategic diplomatic framework. A careful crafted diplomatic strategies in is essential for addressing the complexity of India-Pakistan relation. Communicating India's intentions for peace. India's commitment to peaceful international relations. Clear communication. India must articulate its stance clearly to the global community, emphasizing its commitment to peace and stability. Exporting violence. Pakistan needs to be held accountable for its actions, especially in relation to violence that affects regional stability. Demand for real peace. India is not demanding peace. Instead, it insists that peace must be sustainable, genuine, and not just for superficial. International obligation. The global community should ensure that Pakistan meets its responsibility, particularly in preventing the spread of violence. इसमें क्या कहा जा रहा है कि हमें सिर्फ कुछ दिन के लिए पीस चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं। हम लोगों को पीस चाहिए लंबे समय के लिए। बार बार पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जैसे कि टेररिज्म ना हो। इट मस्ट सिग्नल पीस is not weakness and justice is not optional. Let's prioritize diplomacy while ensuring our citizens' securities. India's approach should be rooted in balanced treaty that emphasizes diplomatic engagement with Pakistan contingent upon tangible actions to combat terrorism while simultaneously safeguarding the security and rights of its own citizens. तो यहाँ होता है एंड। इसका पीडीएफ जो है आप लोग को टेलीग्राम में मिल जाएगा, आप लोग वहाँ से देख लीजिएगा, डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा। टेलीग्राम का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है।